I just realized that it's my fake ID's birthday today. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday in Vegas. This is the best thing to ever happen to me. Dude, we have to get lit. We're about to like go out to the strip. I'm like, wait a second, what day is it today? It's my fucking birthday. Oh my god! Lovely. One more after this.
One more.
Free birthday shots, thank you.
Sweet too. Cheers.
Cheers.
Free shot for both a girl and a friend.
That's good. Margarita shot. Birthday shots.
100%. That bitch.
We got our food. We got our food. Oh my god, bitch.
Thank you.
Absolutely disgusting, dude. Like,
this is like 2 shots. Ooh. Not good.
not good. We got drinks that we've been looking for like 4 hours, but she doesn't even like it.
But it's okay.
Fake enjoying it, like, this is good.
Yeah.
Is that video? Yeah. Oh no.
Well, it's like, that's why I quit camping.
Bread.
No brown.
Cheers.
Put them right inside the school.
Sorry, can you have me one more of that?
So beautiful. This is our little outside tour. So beautiful. The pool, the jacuzzi and the pools. And down here's a fire pit, and then there's a barbecue grill and a cool little chair to chill in the beautiful mountains. How lovely. And then this is the strip. Like, you can literally see the entire strip from here. It's crazy. You can see about it at light, and then it's all lit up, you can tell, but that is Viva Las Vegas, man. Viva Las Vegas. There's a Ferris wheel. I saw it last night. So beautiful. Lovely. We walked in. And we got this. Okay. Oh yeah. Cooking it. Whoa, whoa.